How to use Klarna on Uber Eats. So open the Uber Eats app. Open the Uber Eats app on your phone. So if you don't have it, now you can install it on Google Play Store or Apple Store if you use the iPhone. After that, browse and search your food. So now browse through the available restaurant and choose the food that you want to order. After that, review your order. So after adding your items to cart, now tap on cart icon. In the top right corner, review your order carefully to make sure everything looks correct. And you can add or remove items if needed. Once you are satisfied with your order, tap checkout to proceed. After that, as you can see, select the Klarna as a payment method. So now, as you can see, you will see different payment options like credit cards, PayPal, and more. Look for Klarna as a payment options. Now log into Klarna. So after selecting Klarna, you will be asked to log into your Klarna account. So if you don't have an account with it, you can go and sign up for Klarna accounts. After that, choose your payment options. So once you are logged to your Klarna, you will see different payment options: pay now and pay later, and slice it if you want to choose it too. Now confirm your payment. So after selecting the payment plan, Klarna will show you a summary of your payment details. Double check everything. If everything looks good, tap confirm payment to finalize your purchase, and after that, wait for your delivery. So this is how to use Klarna on Uber Eats. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.